let's get it on. This is how Snowfall should have ended. Once Franklin took that shot, things should have snowfalled quickly. Point intended. D-Ray, remember D-Ray in the house, right? When Franklin went to the house, D-Ray Davis, or it's Peaches, right? Should have said, okay, let me take you to the safe. Boom. And then he should have hit him with the crack, cocaine with a needle. Boom. Hit his ass with a needle, right? And he would have been waiting for the dude to come open the safe, and he would have just been high and bitch. You feel me? Then he would have found out there was no money and then tried to take another shot. So then he would have been on crack like crazy, right? So in his adventures of losing it all and not having no money, he would have been a crackhead. Now, this is where Leon and Wanda comes in. Leon was like to the mom, I'm going to keep the community center open. Boom. That was the key. That was the key. I'm watching the show. I'm like, this is where it's going. I already can see it, right? Franklin would have been a crackhead for 3 years. Then after them 3 years, he would have kind of came into himself, right? And since he lost it all, he would have been just distraught and all of that, right? And when he would have came into himself, and then Leon would have had him where? In the community home. And that community home was something that he that he invested in. So he basically built his own house. Chaos in the blood, baby. So that's how it should have ended, instead of Franklin walking off as an alcoholic, homeless, right? He should have been in his own community house getting rehabilitated, because that was the key to all this drug adventure stuff, right? You need to rehabilitate the hood. That was the key to what his mama was talking about.